There is a 45% off sale on shoes. If you purchase a pair of shoes on the sale rack for $56.59, find the regular price of the shoes. So we don't know what the regular price is. We do know what the sale price is, and we know the percentage off. So let's see what we can do next. So the sale price, let's see if this sentence makes sense, is 55% off the regular price. So where does this 55% come from? The shoes cost 100%. There is a sale which takes 45% off. So 100 minus 45 is 55%. So the sale price is 55% off the regular price. Now we don't know what the regular price is, so we're going to call that X. So the sale price is, we know what it is $56.59. So $56.59 is equal to 55% off the regular price X. The word off translates to multiplication. So 55% is 0.55 off, so times X. Now remember, we have to solve for X. So anything else we need to get rid of on the right hand side. So we divide by 0.55 on both sides. So X is equal to 56.59 divided by 0.55. We enter this into our calculators. So 56.59 divided by 0.55 equals 102. So X is equal to $102.89. I've rounded it to to 2 decimal places. So that's the regular cost of the shoes. So the shoes cost $102.89. When there is a 45% off sale, it's going to cost less, and that is the sale price of the item.